Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. I hope you all are fine, good, and doing your assignment work daily. So, students, today we will start with the writing section and we will learn how to write a diary. So, let's start. So, let's start with the writing section and we will learn how to write a diary. So, students, do you have a diary? In your diary, you can record your feelings, observations, and reactions about different experiences. It is a very personal piece of writing that is written in an informal manner. So we can say that diary is a book in which you note down your day-to-day experiences, feelings, memorable events, etc. Now let's see how to write a diary. So there is a certain format in which you can write your diary. So let's see the format of writing a diary. And students, you have to follow this format while writing a diary. So the first thing for writing a diary is the place. So first you will write the place, name of the place, and then date. The format for writing the date is first the date, then the month, and then the year. So like for example, 25th January, 2021. Next is time. Next heading is salutation. That is, you have to write Dear Diary. Now the body of the diary entry, that is, here you have to mention important facts related to the event. So here you have to write your feelings, emotions, experience about the event, and at the last, signature. And remember, you have to write all these things inside a box. So the format for diary is first write the place, date, time, then the salutation Dear Diary, and then the body of the diary writing. Here you have to mention important facts related to the event, and then at the last, signature. And remember, you have to write all these things inside a box. Now, there are few points that you should keep in mind while writing a diary. First thing is use the past tense. So whenever you are writing a diary, you will use past tense for writing a diary. Next is the use of some pronouns like I, we, and my. So you have to use these pronouns while writing a diary. Next is describes the writer's point of view, thoughts, and feelings. Means whenever you are writing a diary, you are describing your thoughts and feelings because you are the writer of the diary writing. Next, includes opinions as well as facts. And a diary entry is written in an informal style. So whenever you are writing a diary, you think diary as a different person and you are communicating all your experience, emotions, and feelings to the diary. Now open your notebook. First write the date, assignment number 31, and the question for diary writing is, imagine today was your birthday. Your parents surprised you with a puppy as a gift. Write a diary entry about the day. So you have to write a diary entry thinking that today is your birthday and your parents, they have gifted you a puppy, and you have to write all your experience in your diary. So the first thing that you will write is place, and you will write Alva. Next is date. Then you will write the date. Format is 25th January 2021. Then next is time. Here you have to write the time, 10:30 p.m. Next is the salutation. you will write dear diary, comma. Next is the body of the diary writing. Here you have to mention all the facts and your emotions, your experience related to the event. So as the event was your birthday, so you will write today was my 10th birthday and it has been the best birthday ever. Mummy and Daddy woke me up with a wonderful surprise. You guessed it, a puppy, a beautiful, frisky, black Labrador puppy. I have decided to call him Frisky. My friends came for lunch. Mummy baked a chocolate cake. Everyone loved little Frisky. I promised my parents that I would take good care of him and thanked my parents. I'm going to bed now. I have to wake up early to take him for a walk. And at the last is the signature. So here you have to put your signature, and remember you have to write all these things inside a box. Students, if you want to add few more details about the puppy, then you can add. You can write few more things in your own words. And now students, as you all know, on 26 January, we are going to celebrate Republic Day. Students, as you all know, Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. On Republic Day, flag hosting, ceremonies and parades by armed forces and school children are held in different parts of the country. The grandest and most important of these parades is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. So students, as on 26 January 2021, we all are going to celebrate the completion of the 71st Republic Day. So there is an activity that you all have to do, and it is English poem writing competition. So you have to write a poem of 8 to 12 lines, that is 2 to 3 stanzas of 4 lines each on India, Republic Day, fighting COVID-19, the pleasure and pain of online classes. So on any one of these topics, you have to write a poem of 8 to 12 lines and send it to me before 28th of January. Remember students, you have to write this poem in your own words and send it to me before 28th of January. The winners will be awarded with a certificate. So remember, write the poem and then send it to me, and the last date is 28th January 2021. Write the poem in your own words. Thank you, students.